Okay, the mileage is 100,778. I have now motor requesting a parked regen. Feet are off the pedals. In park. PTO is off. Gonna be hitting the regen button. It makes a ding. I have no action. I'll hold it for a second. 1,000. Nothing. I'll double tap it. Nothing. I will hold it for 10 seconds, as some companies require. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000. Nothing. Button still does not work for regen. Mileage is 100,778. Since the last time at the shop, it's been 6 work days.